Hi guys, this is Bubbles and Biscuits, and we are going to do a tour of 7333 on the Carnival Valor. Your regular old card entry. You got to slide it in. It's not like a digital key out here. This is older ship now. That's the master button to turn off all of the lights in the room. So there are like 3 different master spots to turn it off. This is the light for this little makeup station. In the makeup station, you actually have one outlet. Keep that in mind. You have to actually go around the corner if you're trying to use that outlet outside that room. We have the old style thermostat. Turn it all the way down if you want it to be cold. Do keep in mind that this little boudoir area does have a lock on the door, and you can actually close the door off. It is very convenient if somebody is getting dressed before you are. So here you have your first line of storage. Just big old storage closets. This is the one that would have your life jackets. It'll also have robes in here. Standard robes. One size fits all. Not every. Okay? Not every. 2 sides for storage. The storage does not lift up like newer ships, but that is alright. Then here for this little makeup stall, you have this little seat. Plenty of storage to go around. And the entrance to the bathroom. This is a light for the bathroom. I wasn't impressed with the bathroom because the bathroom was not as clean as it should have been. You have plenty of storage. Double shelves. Double sinks and everything like that. They give you plenty of towels. You have the little waste receptacle under there as well. TP and this shower. There is jets, but I don't trust them. They are not clean. So that was not ideal for me. That is an adjustable shower head. And as this is an ocean suite, you have shampoo and then you have bath and shower gel. And you actually have a rotating soap dish down there, which is kind of funny. But plenty of handles, which is actually nice. On to the rest of the room. So, as we come out of the bathroom, we have our first line of extra storage. Here in this little cabinet. Probably be great for shoes if you have a lot of people in this room. Because, this couch can open up to, I think, 2, like another whole mattress, or it's just one as a together couch. Let's see here. Could be just one as a together couch. All of the cushions practically move. So, you have storage here. This is your little mini fridge. Warning, what I don't like about the mini fridge is you can't put a full-size plate in there. You're going to have to take something off. Either find the tiny plates, or you're going to have to like take it, put it on a napkin, and then that's how you can keep your stuff fresh. Because it is Ocean Suite, they actually bring me ice. Because I'm a gold member, they gave me 2 large bottles of water. That's about the only benefit there. Oh. Here is your only plug outside of the corner plug over here. Where you can do your hair and your makeup and everything. Way across the way from the bed. Extremely convenient. Yeah. Past that, we have a chair. We have this table. And we have the light stand. It has a little bit of storage. But the light stand has 2 USB ports. I noticed the light stand that I was using over here has 2 USB ports. However, only one works. Yeah. So, here's more storage down here. Let me zoom out. Just a little corner storage there. More drawers here. A little shelving area there. Just a little spot underneath the TV. The TV can be a little bit raggedy. That is not a power outlet area. That's the connections for the TV. Don't do that. Here is your safe. Now, your safe is actually big enough to hold about a 12-inch laptop and other smaller things of that nature. If you got a 13, you're kind of pushing it. 14 ain't gonna make it. Here's your last space for storage. But notice this closet does not have the life vest in it, and the storage is supposed to have a light that turns on. There you go. Takes it a minute. So, this is the bed. I messed it up because it's debarkation day, so I want to make sure that I got everything out of my room. But while I am here, let me tell you the most inconvenient thing while you have a bed that is together, okay? You see this little rat object here? That's the nicest way I can put it. If you are a person that likes to sleep in the middle, or you feel you want to sleep in the middle, let it be known, you will hit this here button and turn on all of the lights if it is dark. For emphasis, it's nice and dark in here, right?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, man. Just checking.
He's checking to see if I'm in here. That's funny. Alright, so you see how nice and dark it is in here? So you all in a good old sleep, and then you accidentally turn over, and then you hit this here button. And yeah, I can tell you from experience, that's not fun. I have done it I don't know how many times throughout this whole trip. Probably about 10. So I've woken myself up out of pure sleep to only find out I turned on all of the lights with my head. So about the same time you just possibly turn over, miss the pillow, you hit the light. At this point, I got so angry of hitting the light, I moved my pillow at the end of the bed. Because I was like, no, I ain't touching this light again. I want to sleep. So, lessons learned. If it's you and somebody else, y'all together and everything, you're probably gonna hit that button too. Just warning you, it is not a friendly button when it is nice and dark. This actually is like counter space for everything, but there's really no real chargers, so it is what it is. As it's an older ship, it is what it is. Now on to the last stop, which is the balcony. So you can see you have a full-size window over here. Full-size window, which is nice. You can actually view everything. You can see the ocean from outside, from inside. Here is the door. Now, unlike Norwegian, there is a light for outside this room. That is the light. Now, they don't have like a typical door lock. This will open if you just push it. So the lock is up here. So you have to open it and push out. And this does not have a pop release where it automatically wants to close back. You got to pull it and then it will close. But here is your light. And here are your chairs. No, you don't have a lounger out here. It is what it is. This is New Orleans Port. Since we are back home and ready to get off. That's the other thing I don't like. They did not keep the glass clean, so it's just quite dirty, just with the seawater and everything. You will see the rust in this ship. It's not exactly kept to the best of other cruise lines, especially with newer ships. So I mean, it is what it is, but at least it's a cruise, right? Pretty much, this is your whole ocean suite, room 7333. And how do I feel about it? The room is okay. The only thing I don't like is we got a lot of people where you can hear everything through that door. So there's like no peace. It don't matter what time of night, you can hear everybody tromping through the halls, talking, laughing, giggling. Like if they are really noisy. You can hear everything. You can hear the elevator go bing. But at least you're not going to lose your room. So that is the benefit. Past that, there is a smell of sewage on the ship when you go to certain bathrooms. And that's not a joke. So just keep those things in mind. Maybe bring a nose clip so you can plug your nose if you really got to go. Otherwise, come back to your room, use the bathroom. But that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, per the TV. At least the TV has children networks on here. This actually has Cartoon Network and Nickelodeon. There's no Disney on here. Can't imagine why, you know? But at least there's things for kids to that extent. But even though there was a curfew, that curfew was not used. For younger than 18, I can tell you that much, because they were everywhere. Past that, that is it. Have a good one, y'all. And if you like the content, please subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Bye.